How to log in into Ottawa property tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process on how to log in into Ottawa property tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser that is available on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Ottawa property tax login on the search bar. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites, click on the very first website that says My Service Ottawa. Wait for a while and you'll be directed to this page. Now here you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on Forget Your Password option. Or if you haven't already created an account, you can simply create it by tapping on Create an Account option. By assuming you have already created an account, enter all of your details and simply tap on Login option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.